MBBS in Georgia versus MBBS in Kyrgyzstan, which is better for you? Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between MBBS in Georgia and MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. Choosing the right country for your medical education is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. Climate: Georgia, subtropical climate with hot summers and mild winters. Kyrgyzstan, continental climate with cold winters and hot summers. Currency comparison to INR: Georgia, 1 Georgian lari, gel, 30 Indian rupees. Kyrgyzstan, 1 Kyrgyzstani som, KGS, 0.90 INR. Course duration: Georgia, 5 years. Kyrgyzstan, 5 years. Separate internship, NMC norms. Both countries offer a separate 1-year internship after the 5-year MBBS course, complying with NMC guidelines. License to practice as independent medical practitioner: Georgia, requires a PG course for independent practice, no separate licensing exam. Graduates can only practice as junior doctors post-MBBS. Kyrgyzstan, no PG course required for independent practice, no separate licensing exam. Graduates can practice independently post-MBBS. So, MBBS in Kyrgyzstan is advantageous when compared to MBBS in Georgia. Disease patterns: Georgia, similar to European countries, with a mix of infectious and chronic diseases. Kyrgyzstan, similar to Central Asian countries, with a mix of infectious diseases and non-communicable diseases. This offers better clinical exposure for Indian students due to the similarity in disease patterns. Cost of MBBS: Georgia, 20 lakhs rupee to 32 lakhs rupees for the entire course. Kyrgyzstan, 20 lakhs rupee to 25 lakhs rupees for the entire course. The cost of living is lower compared to Georgia. Number of Indian students: Georgia, approximately 14,000 Indian students. Kyrgyzstan, approximately 17,000 Indian students. Clinical exposure: Georgia, high-quality clinical exposure with advanced medical facilities. Kyrgyzstan, high clinical exposure in government colleges with large patient footfall and latest medical facilities. The universities provide high-tech simulation centers.